Well, today is International Cleanup Day and International Coastal Cleanup Day, but importantly, it's the first year that El Sobrante has had its own cleanup.
This is the first step of our effort, really, to wake up the town and raise the consciousness about littering and dumping here.
We are the ones that help keep our community clean.
I've seen a lot of families as parents come in with their kids, so they're setting a pretty good precedent moving forward.
It's important for them to see how to be stewards of, the land that we're a part of and the communities that we're a part of, because it also, I think, hopefully will translate to some confidence in other things that they want to be motivated towards moving to.
My son passed away a year ago, and he grew up in El Sobrante. So since we couldn't celebrate his birthday in person like we always do, it was a big deal. This group of girls has got together, and we are giving back to El Sobrante for my son.
We chose to be out here to honor our friend George and to help El Sobrante to clean up. We get tired of driving up and down Appian Way and seeing all the trash everywhere.
We're out here because there's so much trash out here, and it's just a good thing to do, of cleaning up trash, and every little bit matters because we play here and we bike and hike, and so it's our responsibility to clean up these areas.
Yeah, I joined the illegal dumping and clean up El Sobrante group on Nextdoor. Well, about 1,000 cigarette butts. They constitute a large part of the litter, and a lot of times they have fiberglass, and that's not good for critters to eat either. For me, it's important because a lot of these little bits of plastic end up in the bay, and the fish and the birds eat them and die.
I was up on Clark Road along the creek bed. We found hubcaps, buckets, lots of liquor bottles, lots of water bottles, just cigarette butts, all kinds of trash, PP equipment, some other things I won't mention. We just kept hauling stuff out of there, metal, wood, and it's a bit of a dump spot up there, and people park up there and just throw their stuff out the windows. So it's an ongoing problem, especially up at the top.
I was picking up trash along Appian Way. A few neighbors that live nearby the area invited me to come help out, and when I walked over there to the area, I saw that it was mattresses, baby cribs, clothing, just so many unnecessary items dumped over there, and it was nothing but a need to go over there in the area just to kind of help out, and we did it collectively together. We was able to pick it up.
It's so gratifying to see that our area really cares about it enough to take the initiative to clean it up and make it the best it can be.
We want this to be a year-round ethic, and I think people that come and clean up, it makes them feel more invested, that they want to keep El Sobrante clean all year.
We have a website now that we started for this project, keepelsobrantebeautiful.info, and we're going to be posting resources, how to take care of their things responsibly and get rid of things responsibly, and then have monthly cleanups to keep the effort going. But we also need a public education campaign to let people know that littering is not acceptable. We don't want to tolerate that.
It meant a lot to see the community coming together and from all areas of the community, and actually just have an interest to keep us clean, keep us green, and making sure our environment is safe so we all can live and work within the same community.
Look at you guys go.